Hi, I'm Joe Miller from 3M's Commercial Solutions Division, and today we're going to talk about floor safety, 3M's Safety Walk product range, and we'll do a demonstration of an application. There is a need for safe floors in Australia as slips, trips, and falls account for the second largest cause of workplace incidents. And these incidents can result in injury and can also be quite costly for the property owner, as an average claim can cost around $80,000 to resolve. We also have an aging population that we want to keep safe, and Australia is unique in that we have prescriptive anti-slip requirements for areas like stairs, landings, and ramps, and we have slip rating guidelines for areas like inside shopping centers, hotels, and supermarkets. Essentially, floor safety is important to help prevent potential injury to customers and coworkers, to reduce risk of a settlement on the property owner, and in making sure that the building owner is compliant with building code guidelines. 3M has a range of Safety Walk products based on the type of application and the level of anti-slip rating that is needed. From lower aggressive products for barefoot or light shoe traffic areas, all the way up to very coarse Safety Walk when a very high anti-slip performance is needed. This could be for muddy, oily, or very extreme conditions. Now I'm going to do a demonstration of a product application. For this demo, we're going to use the General Purpose 600 series on an outdoor concrete stair nosing to replace an older Safety Walk strip. It's important that we have a clean, dry surface to ensure that the Safety Walk tape can create a strong bond with the substrate. This means that first we're going to strip off any old floor finish, if there is any on the floor, and then we're going to use an appropriate cleaner or solvent wipe to clean the surface. You'll notice first we're going to lay down some blue painter's tape. That's just to kind of keep the prime coat contained and will also help us keep the Safety Walk in line once we apply it. If the ground is porous or rough, then a prime coat is recommended using 3M Safety Walk Primer or alternatively Spray Adhesive 90 in Australia. This prime coat creates a flat, solid surface for the Safety Walk to bond to and improves adhesion. While we're waiting for the primer to dry, we can get our Safety Walk ready to go. First, we're going to round the corners with the scissors, and this is done to help prevent them from catching and lifting. Then, once the primer is dry, we're all good to remove that blue painter's tape, and we're ready to apply the Safety Walk. Since our strip is already cut down to size and we rounded the corners, next we're going to peel back about 2 or 3 centimeters of liner from one end and get it positioned on the surface, right on top of that prime coat layer. Then we're going to continue to remove the liner with one hand and press the tape firmly down with the other hand. We can use a roller to do this at the same time as we peel back the liner, and this works well for larger pieces, but with a thin strip like this, we're going to manage to do it by hand. And a quick note that for a stair application like this, we want to apply the Safety Walk about 1 centimeter from the stair edge, and this is to prevent any edge curl and premature wear. Then we're going to press the tape into the surface with firm contact using a rubber hand roller, starting in the middle and rolling out towards the edges. This next step isn't always required, but if your Safety Walk is in an area where water can sometimes pool, or if it's an area that's exposed to moisture, we recommend using the 3M Safety Walk Edge Sealer to help protect the edges. First, you're going to place the tip of the tube on the floor surface next to the edge of the Safety Walk tape. And as you apply it, you want to ensure that the sealant makes contact with both the floor surface and the top surface of the tape, just like in the diagram down to the bottom left. You might find it helpful while you're applying the sealant to rest one hand on top of the other to get better stability. We want to allow the edge sealer to dry overnight, but after that you're all done and it's ready to be walked on. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please check out our website at the link down below.